If you are a content creator in Vietnam or even worldwide, this video is for you because today I'm going to show you how to make 50 million VND month from YouTube affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Han, and in today's video, I'm gonna share with you a super duper easy way to make 50 million VND per month, which is equivalent to $2,000. The method is super simple and it works both in Vietnam and worldwide. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically a performance-based marketing, where you earn a commission on the clicks or sales you drive on products or services through your unique tracking link. You don't need to own a product or service yourself. Instead, you will be promoting other people's products or services and earn commissions on the clicks or sales you bring in. This is one of the easiest and most popular ways to monetize content online, especially on YouTube. YouTube is a visual platform, so it is very easy for you to create content and promote offers visually. And since you get paid based on performance, you don't have to worry about managing inventory or shipping products like dropshipping. You can also promote any offer in any niche you want, and there is no limit on how much money you can make. The sky is really the limit. Next, let's move on to step 2. Products. Okay, so what products should you promote? When it comes to choosing products to promote, it's important to consider a few factors. First of all, you want to make sure that the products are relevant to your target audience. It's not going to help you sell a weight loss product if your videos are about gaming or beauty products. Won't do well if you're making videos about fitness. Next, you want to look for products that are in demand but not too competitive. You can use tools like Google Trends or Amazon's bestseller rank to help you find products that meet this criteria. And finally, you want to make sure that the products have a good commission structure. Look for products that offer a high commission rate or a high average order value, so that you can maximize your earnings. In general, digital products like online courses, Notion templates or website themes tend to have the highest commission rates, but you can also find great affiliate programs in almost any niche, if you know where to look. So take your time, do your research, and choose products that are a good fit for your target audience and for you personally. That way you can create content that is both engaging and effective. And don't forget to check out ClickBank Digistore 24 or JVZOO to see what's trending in the market. There are lots of digital products and courses on those platforms that you can easily promote. To make it easier for you, I've listed some affiliate program examples from these marketplaces below. Now let's move on to step 3. Create review videos. Now that you've chosen your product, it's time to create your review videos. As an affiliate marketer, it's important to be transparent and disclose that you are an affiliate for the products you are promoting. This is not only an ethical thing to do, but it's also a legal requirement in many countries. In fact, the FTC has specific guidelines for affiliate marketers to follow when disclosing their relationships with brands they promote. According to the FTC, affiliate marketers must clearly and conspicuously disclose a material connection they have with a brand. When they make or post an endorsement, a material connection exists when there is a significant financial or personal relationship between the endorser and the brand. What is considered a clear and conspicuous disclosure is subjective and can vary depending on the context. However, in general, it is recommended that the disclosure should be written in plain language and be placed in close proximity to the endorsement itself. So when creating your review videos, make sure to include a disclaimer at the beginning of the video stating that you are an affiliate for the products you are promoting. You can say something along the lines of, "Hey guys, just wanted to let you know that I am an affiliate for the company and I'll be sharing my honest thoughts and opinions about their product." By doing so, you will build trust with your audience and maintain transparency in your marketing practices. Okay, now let's talk about how to create your review videos. Your goal is to convince your viewers to click on your link and purchase the product. So you need to make sure that your videos are informative and persuasive. One way to do this is by including a call to action or CTA in every video. A call to action is basically a prompt that encourages your viewers to take a specific action, such as clicking on a link or signing up for a newsletter. For example, you can include a line like, "To get started, click the link in the description below," or for more information head over to the official website. In addition to including a CTA in every video, you can also promote offers with coupon codes or discounts. This will incentivize your viewers to click on your link and purchase the product. You can include the discount code directly in your videos or in the description below. Just make sure that the discount is clearly visible and easy to use. Another way to promote offers is by including a link in your video's description. This is a great way to drive traffic to a landing page or a sales page where people can learn more about the offer and purchase it. You can also use this method to promote multiple offers in one video. Let's look at some real product examples. First, we have this online course called TikTok Ad Secrets. The course is being promoted through a series of videos that showcase testimonials, case studies, and tips from experts. Each video includes a clear call to action that encourages viewers to click on the affiliate link in the description to get access to the course. Here's a quick tip. Try to use emojis in your calls to actions to make them more engaging. For example, You could write "Get instant access" link in description. We also have this Notion template called All-in-One Marketing Plan. The template is being promoted through a video that demonstrates how to use the template to plan marketing campaigns. The video includes a call to action that directs viewers to a special website where they can purchase the template and download it. Lastly, we have this WordPress theme called Store Leads. The theme is being promoted through a video that shows how to use the theme to create a high-converting lead generation website. The video includes a call to action that tells viewers to visit a website and click on the Get Started button to start using the theme. I hope these examples gave you some ideas on how to promote different types of products. Remember to include a call to action in every video and use emojis to make your CTAs more eye-catching. You can also promote multiple offers in one video by including a link in the description. Now it's time to move on to step 4, adding your link to every video. After you've created your review videos, it's time to add your affiliate link to them. This is a crucial step because it allows you to track the performance of your videos and receive commissions on any sales you generate. There are 2 main methods you can use to add your affiliate links to your videos. The first method is to include your link in the description of your videos. This is a great option if you're promoting a digital product or service. For example, if you're promoting a course, you can include a link to the course sales page in the description. Viewers who are interested in the course can then click on the link and purchase it. You will receive a commission on the sale and the platform will keep track of the sale and credit it to your account. The second method is to use a tool to create a custom link that includes your affiliate ID. This is a great option if you're promoting a physical product. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss tea, you can use a tool to create a custom link that includes your affiliate ID. Viewers who click on the link will be directed to the product sales page where they can purchase the tea. If they decide to buy, you will receive a commission and the platform will track the sale and credit it to your account. By following these steps, you can successfully add your affiliate links to your videos and start earning commissions on any sales you generate. So go ahead and start promoting offers today and watch your earnings grow. That's it for me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. I hope to see you again soon. Until next time, thanks for watching.